Hey Raney, so what new toy do you have there?
I have the Jurassic World Raptors.
Wow, that is cool.
Yep. So this one's Charlie and this one's Echo. Then this is Blue. And then this is Delta. Yeah. And look at that sign. Jurassic World T-Rex. And later on the next video, I'm gonna take a video of the Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Wow.
And then on the third one, I'm gonna do the Indominus Rex.
Ooh.
That's the biggest of them all.
Nice.
Yep.
Okay, opening it up.
Okay. Let's see. This is a little bit too hard. Got it. First, we gotta take these little things off in the back. Oh, these things. These little things are big. This?
Where's this little thing?
Oh, it's an LED light. Look at this.
Ooh, so we'll see what it does at nighttime.
Yeah, maybe I'll cut off and wait until nighttime, and then we can come back on. How about that?
Okay.
So first, there's an LED light, Blue, Delta, Echo, and Charlie.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so which one is that?
Blue.
Oh, wow.
And you want to see how he talks? You see? And they communicate together. Whoa. And they're just fighting. Delta hunts like she's a girl. So Delta is a girl, not a boy. So first, this is how she hunts. First, this is how she goes. And that is how Echo goes. And this is how Blue goes. And then this is how Charlie goes. And they hunt as a team. So first they tell each other what the plan is, and then they start up. Hi, my name is Raney, and please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget the names, and there is Echo, Charlie, Delta, and Blue.